Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Baikal Teal in Heartopia. So you'll find it all around the Onen Mountain Lake. So there's two here and here. You'll find it all day, but there has to be a rainbow. So let's find it. I think I saw one, but then my game lagged, so I have to find it again. Okay, so this is not it. That's not it either, which is sad because I saw it. It was right in front of me and it forced closed, which is not fun. So I'll try to find it in the other lake. Hopefully there's one there, or else I'm going to actually rage because it was right in front of me and it's gone just because I lagged. So this is the other part of the Onen Mountain Lake. Thank you. It's right here, guys. We have it, the Baikal Teal. Let's get a pic. And voila, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!